Good morning, everybody. Today I'll start you from your grammar book, English grammar book. First day, page number 1, alphabetical order. This is very easy for you. So today, yes, beta, Lisa, Kriti, everybody, I know that. Shomagni, Debopriya, last day I could not do your class. Good morning for that poem. Next day when I will do the text, I will revise. So today please open your grammar book. First one, the A, B, C, D order is known as alphabetical order. So here write the names of these flowers in alphabetical order. So here please do it with me. Whatever you will write in your book, class 3, this page also you can write in your copy, and also at the same time in your book, whatever here place is there. So you can write. First one you can see lotus, tulip, rose. Grammar book, Devashmita, I told you grammar book, Seshtash, Snigdha, everybody open your grammar book, page number 1. So lotus, tulip, rose, sunflower, pansy, dahlia. Obviously first number is dahlia. Number 1, dahlia, D-A-H-L-I-A. Next one, please tell. Shomagni, Lisa, everybody, please tell. Orpon is also there. Please tell next one. D, first one. After that, L, lotus. Very good. Lotus. Then, pansy. Then pansy. Pansy. Number 4, then rose. I am waiting for you. After pansy, C now, S, not sunflower, pansy after rose, beta, because P-Q-R-S-T. So R first pansy, then rose, then sunflower, then tulip. Then sunflower, then tulip. Okay, then sunflower, then tulip. So first one dahlia, then lotus, then pansy, rose, sunflower, tulip. Okay. Then write the name of these animals and birds in alphabetical order. Here also they have given the animals and please do it. Orpon, why are you not muted? Kriti, yes, you can write in your book, no problem for that. Yes, you can write in your book. So here, number 1. Aradha Roy, I know that you, Orchita and your name same thing is there, so no problem for that. So again, I am just rubbing this. Number 1, Ankita, please answer me from fast. You can write in the book, but answer also. Panda, parrot, peacock, puppy, penguin, pigeon, pelican, panther. So first one, panther or panda, whatever. Here also alphabetical order means from first. Okay, from first also you have to do that. So panther, panther not everybody is starting A, but N or D. So after N there is a D is there. So panda, very good. Number 1, panda, because N is there too, but N after D, so alphabetical order. Then parrot, not panther, because T after before that. Oh sorry, now panther, parrot is there or panda is there? You can see that parrot also is there. P-A-R, P-A-N or P-A-R after, so P-A-N-T-H-E-R, panther. Third one, parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T. Fourth one, Snigdha, no need to send all this image. I want answer. Panther, parrot. Purbayan has given the answer. Yes. Then after parrot I have written. Then after E you should give. So E means peacock, pelican or penguin. Obviously peacock, because P-E-A-C-O-C-K. E after A. Number 5. Then peacock. Then after P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Then pelican, P-E-L-I. Everybody, I think you have understood. If anybody did not understand, please write to me. Yes, pelican. So here, one thing, peacock, P-E-A, then P-E-L, pelican, then again, who is Aradha? Please don't unmute. So penguin, pelican, pelican after penguin. Penguin. Number 7. Number 6 is there, penguin. Here all these are there. Then puppy. Then pigeon and then puppy. Okay. Obviously then pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N. Then 8th one, puppy. 8th one, puppy. So I think everybody, you have understood. Have you understood better? Everybody, any problem is there? If anybody did not understand, please tell me. So next page I will tell about sentences. Okay, you will write in your book, then open your copy. Open your copy. Please complete it slowly, then open your copy. You cannot understand. Alphabetical order means A after B, B after C, C after D, D after E. So here, panther. First, all the words are starting with P. Okay, beta, Tiyasha, you have shown me. So P. P after here A, N. Only these words are there. All the words are not there. But here, P after N, N after D. So D is the first word. D means D is the nearest word. After D here, panther, P-A-N, T. So here T is there. So that's why alphabetical order, P-A-R, A, B, C, D, whatever nearest word, whatever consecutively, you can go. So that's why we have told alphabetical order. Peacock, after A, P after E, then E after here first word A, then L, E after N, E G, P after I, Pigeon. Riddhi, have you understood? Ayan, have you understood? Ayan, please tell me, any problem is there? So puppy, P-U is there, so last word. Sudeshna, I heard that you have celebrated your birthday. Actually last Saturday I could not get your class. So today I am just wishing you that belated happy birthday, Sudeshna. And many happy returns of the day. If you are in a school, we will celebrate this, no? So please be happy forever. Okay, beta. And we wish that you will everybody will come to our school very soon. Okay. No, Sudeshna's birthday is over, so you cannot write happy birthday. You have to write the belated happy birthday. Okay, but I know that all the students are wishing, so no need to write. Okay, so okay, beta. I also many day I did not see you. No, not only you, anybody I did not see. So today I think you have completed. Now open your copy. So next chapter, just I will give some introduction. I will give some introduction. Sentence. Sentence. The sentence. Next chapter, you can write in your copy or listen to me. Yes, beta, everybody, we are missing you. Everybody's, I am missing. Okay, the sentence. Sentence, what is sentence? You have already read in class 2. Besides that, again I am telling. Like this, if I am telling that sweet mango, that is a not sentence. I like sweet mango, that is a sentence. So sentence, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sense means meaning. Okay, sense means meaning. Complete. Chandrama, you cannot understand. Okay, Chandrama, I will again tell. Actually, A after B, that alphabetical order, one day again next day again I will revise. Today you will read A after B, B after C, after that only we are using this. So today, sentence we can do this. Okay. So a group of word make group of words make a complete sense or meaning. Complete sense or meaning. So how can we? I like sweet oranges, that is sentences. But one thing you can remember, a group of words I am telling, make a complete sense, but this is also sentence. First letter, capital letter. So sentence has some condition. First one, sentence starts with capital letter, and second one, sentence ends with full stop and question mark. Okay, question mark. If I am telling, where are you studying? How old are you? Where is your home? All these are sentences. But Chandrama, I can understand that you chapter number 1 you cannot understand. Again I will tell. Now please listen to me. That sentence starts with capital letter. Number 2, sentence ends with full stop and question mark. Everybody know that question mark? So sentence starts with capital letter and sentence ends with full stop or question mark. So these two sentences. Another one also I have told. Okay, I have told you last year. Again I am telling. These things I am just rubbing it. But three condition you should remember. You can write also in your copy. Number 2, number 3. What is this? Sentence has verbs. Verbs are, I am just telling that last year also these things I have added. Okay, sentence has verbs. So these three things please remember. Sentence starts with capital letter. Sentence ends with full stop, question mark. Sentence has verb. Okay. So I think these three things please remember it. So page number 2. Here sweet oranges like I sweet oranges, I like sweet oranges. All these only I like sweet oranges. These are the sentence. Like is the verb, doing words, and all these full stops are there. I, that also is a, here example like this. I like to eat, or I like ice cream. Only these things. Just see, I, capital letter, I are always capital letter when its meaning is I, and like ice cream, full stop. And another also I can tell that another one, question mark. Where is your home? So these two are sentences. So one is completed with full stop, another is completed with question mark. So up to this, only number B, she kind, it's a not sentence. A sweet mango is not sentence. Anisha ate sweet mango. They lived here last year. Where are the children playing? Door Henry da open. So which one is the sentence? 3, 4 and 5. These are sentences. Tick the group of words which are sentences. Anisha ate a sweet mango. Number 3. Number 3 is a sweet. So number B, just I am Kaushik, anything asking you are? Where are the children playing? That is also Anisha. Number 3 sentences. Number 4 sentences. Number 5 sentences. 3, 4, 5. No. Number 6, that is not jumbled properly. Door Henry da opened. That is not proper meaning, that they had not complete sense. So that's why that is not sentences. Number 7, my uncle is an artist. 7 also is a sentence. Open window, number 8 is not sentence. Number 9 also. Number 9 is a sentence. Open the window, that is a order. Okay. Page number, beta, I told first time. Page number 2 and 3, Deboshmita. Number 8 is not sentence. Number 9 is a sentence. Number 10 also is not sentence, because window is open is not a sentence. Okay. So, I think you have understood. Any problem, beta? Please, number 10 is not sentence, Devapriya. Window is opened. Window is open is not a sentence. Okay. So, please tell me, any problem is there? Okay, no problem. So, I'll take the attendance.